friends, it's Miss Margaret again. Today we're going to make a bee, just like in our story, The Very Busy Bee. What you're going to need to complete this project is a big bowl and a small bowl from your parents' kitchen, some scissors, a marker, some tape or glue if you want, some black squares. You can get a big piece of black paper and then cut them, and then a yellow square. And we're going to make our bee. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to use the small bowl and we're going to trace around that first. That is going to be our bee's head. Then we're going to take the big bowl and we're going to trace around that. And that's going to be our bee's body. So when you're done, you have two circles, a big one for his head and a small one for his body. Then you can take the scissors, or you can use a friend or a parent, and they can help you cut out your circles. So we're going to cut out our circles. We're going to cut out our small circle first for his head. Then we're going to cut out the big circle for the body. Just like that. So there's our big circle and our small circle. Now we're going to put them together, and I'm using tape because that's what I have at my house right now. So I'm going to roll the tape in a little circle, put it on the head, and then push the head down on the body. Then I have a head and a body. But my bee doesn't have a face like my friend the busy bee, so I need to make his face. So first I'm going to give him two eyes. And I'm going to give my bee some stylish eyelashes. Then I'm going to give him a nose. And then I'm going to make my bee smiling. So I'm going to give him a happy face. So there's the face of my bee. But unlike the bee in my book, my bee doesn't have any stripes. So I need to give him some stripes. So I'm going to use one of my square pieces of black. Again, I'm going to use my scissors. And I'm going to cut some stripes for my bee. You can make them as big or as small as you would like. And then you're going to put them on your bee. Can you count with me, friends? We're going to count my stripes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put 4 stripes. Again, I'm going to use my tape. I'm going to roll up a piece of tape, stick it on the back of my stripe, and stick that on my bee. Then I'm going to get another one and roll it and stick it on the back and stick that stripe down. Now I have 2 stripes. Another piece of tape, another stripe, stick it on my bee. Now I have 3 stripes. One more, roll it, stick it on my bee, put it on his back. Now I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But my bee can't fly. Why can't my bee fly? I know. My bee doesn't have any wings, so I need to make some wings. I'm going to take another piece of black paper, and I folded my black paper in half. Let me show you. I folded in half. I'm going to leave the folded half right there, put it back, and I'm going to cut around like this. So I can make like an oval. And when I open my oval up, I have a pair of wings. So I need to turn my bee around, get my piece of tape, put it on my wings, and put my wings on my bee. And there's my bee. But like this bee, he has a triangle for a bottom. I don't have my triangle. I need to make my triangle. So I'm going to get my last piece of square black paper and I'm going to cut it in half. When I cut it in half, it makes a triangle. And I'm going to attach my triangle on my bee so he can have his triangle bottom. There, friends, there's my happy bee. He's all excited. He's gonna go fly away. I hope you liked our project of the very busy bee, just like the book we read. Have fun, friends. See you later.